Well, here we are opposite the House of Lords because I wanted to bring to your attention the debate which took place there last month concerning Lord Rae's private members bill, which is entitled Wind Turbines Minimum Distance from Residential Premises. It's a bit of a mouthful, and it was a bit of a debate because what happened there was that the debate the Lords had covered virtually every single argument against wind turbines that we've seen over the last 10 years. And the worrying factor is today we are still in a position where many of these arguments have not got a very strong objective rebuttal. It doesn't matter what we in the industry might think. What people are looking for is clear objective evidence against some of these arguments. And I'll just give you two examples. In this debate, the Lords clearly demonstrated a lack of understanding of the implications of noise regulations for planning decision making. And who can blame them? They're not planning experts. But the reality of the situation is when we're out talking to communities near proposed wind farms, we are continually coming up against the same sticking point, the validity of ETSU 97, because the perception is it's something from the last century. It can't possibly have any relevance today. Technically, that's complete nonsense, of course. It's just as sound today as it was then. But we must update that regulation in order for us to be able to reassure communities that there isn't an issue with noise. The second factor in here, which I just wanted to draw to your attention, was that concerning house prices. The quote in here by one Lord is that having your house near a wind farm could reduce the value of your property by 35%. Now, we know this isn't true, but where's our categorical evidence to prove it? Today, if we're out talking to the public, our argument on that issue relates to a piece of research done by RICS down in Cornwall an awful long time ago. It's not categoric because our argument is it wasn't a very good piece of research with a very small sample, but it did say it wasn't going to affect your house price. We should have cast iron, objective evidence from a third party to demonstrate that that isn't the case. And if we can't get that, then we've got a real problem. So from a communications point of view, what this debate showed is some of the basic fundamental arguments against wind farms still lack that objective clarification and argument to put them down, and we have to find that.